Hey everyone, is your Vizio TV remote not working? Don't worry, this is a common issue and it's usually an easy fix. Here are a few troubleshooting steps you can try to get your remote working again. Let's dive in. First, let's perform a hard reset. Remove the batteries from your remote control completely. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Wait 60 seconds, yes, a full minute, don't rush it. This process is what's known as a hard reset for your TV. Plug your TV back in, put the batteries back in the remote, and give it a try. If this doesn't do the trick, move on to the next step. Next, replace the batteries. Swap out your old batteries for a fresh set of new ones. Sometimes weak batteries can be the root of the problem, even if they seem fine at first glance. Still unresponsive? Clean the remote buttons. Take the batteries out of the remote again. Press each button on the remote a few times. Yes, so all of them. Why? Dust and dirt can accumulate inside the remote, causing buttons to stick or malfunction. This step can help loosen up any debris. Pro tip: for older remotes, clean the battery contacts with a hydrogen peroxide dipped Q-tip to remove corrosion. Let it dry fully before replacing the batteries. For newer remotes, this step isn't usually necessary, but it's worth a try for older ones. Next, repair your remote to the TV. Sometimes your remote needs to be repaired with your TV, especially after power outages or system updates. Here's how to do it. Make sure your TV is turned on. Point the remote at your TV. Press and hold both the return and play buttons simultaneously. Keep them pressed for 5 seconds while pointing at the TV. Release the buttons and test if the remote is working. This step can often resolve communication issues between the remote and the TV. If none of the above steps work, it might be time to consider getting a replacement remote. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.